Hey everybody, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we are looking at a 2023 Cadillac CT4. Nice little car. It's a local car here from a client here in Houston, older gentleman. This one has 7,000 miles on it, a little over 7,000 miles. It's midnight steel metallic, real pretty paint. A little different than what you normally see. Got the little turbo motor in it. Interior is that beige leather interior. This has the sun and sound package. So you get the Bose sound system, which is nice, and a sunroof. So pretty clean little car. It's got all the nice little features you could want. It's got navigation. Let's see, yeah, it's got nav, it's got CarPlay. Use the knob here. Here we go. There you go. CarPlay, Android Auto. It's got all the Cadillac apps. Plus, it's got just your regular navigation. So, go right there. Yep, there we go. It's got reverse camera, heated seats, lane departure, blind zone, heated steering wheel. Got your on start and everything. So just a nice, clean little car, non-smoker. Got 2 key fobs, got remote start. It's got all the books, original window sticker. Clean Carfax. There's no wheel rash or anything like that. Continental tires. Give me a call, text, email. I'll get back to you as soon as I hear from you on this. We can ship it. If you need shipping anywhere, another city, another state, I can handle all of that for you. We can do deals long distance. Paperwork long distance is easy through email. If you got your own bank, bring your own bank, no problem. If you need a bank, reach out to us. See if we can help you. And we do offer extended warranties. This car is still in full factory warranty, by the way. So hope to hear from you on this one. Nice little car, no marks, no dings, no scratches. It's got everything. It's like new, still smells like new inside. Give me a call. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.